If you're wondering what you need to do to attract more money really fast, don't take any action until you do this 2-minute process. Quite often, entrepreneurs spend their energy on tons of low-paying actions when they need money, but what if all it took was one high-paying action? Or what if all it took was simply to change your mindset? There's only one way to know, and I'm going to share that with you in this video. I'm Jeanna Gabellini of Master Biz Coaching, and I've been helping entrepreneurs make more money and attract all the 5-star clients they want with stress-free strategies for over 20 years. Usually when an entrepreneur wants to boost his or her income, they look outside themselves for the answer. Oh, is it over here? Is it over there? Is it under there? But nobody knows better than you what's best for your business in the present moment. But you won't be able to hear that super smart voice inside you that knows exactly what to do until you slow down and make space for the answer to be revealed. So here's a quick way to get the answer you need really quick when you want money really quick. First, you have to pull your head out of worry and connect back into your heart. In fact, take some nice deep belly breaths right now. Breathe into your heart. And as you take each breath in, imagine that your heart rate is slowing down and each part of your body is instantly relaxing. And when you exhale, just let it out with a sigh. Imagine all the pressure inside of you to make more money releases out with every exhale. Okay, good. Now you may want to close your eyes for the next couple of minutes to maximize the power of this exercise, or just allow your gaze to fall to the floor or down to your lap. Continue taking nice full deep breaths in and out. And now I invite you to talk to your dear longtime friend, money. You may have forgotten that money has always been there for you, waiting for you to connect with its energy in a more joyful way. And you may have forgotten that it's always open to communicating with you, to have it give itself over fully to you. But that's okay, because it unconditionally loves you and it's ready to support you right now. So ask your friend money right now, what does it want from you? Money, what is it that you need from me right now in order for us to grow in abundance together? Who do I need to be in order for you to flow in abundantly? And now just take a moment to hear the answer. And now trust whatever you heard. If you didn't receive an answer, it will reveal itself naturally as you go forward in a more relaxed and trusting manner about money. And now you want to ask money, is there an action I need to take today in order for you to kick off the momentum of flow? Is there an action that would help our relationship move forward? And just pause to hear the answer. Whatever happened during this meeting with money is perfect, whether you got an answer now or not. Consider yourself reconnected with money. It already knows what you want, and once you trust it to come through, you'll start seeing more evidence that more money is arriving. Appreciate this time you spent with money like you're reconnecting with an old friend, and then come back to the present moment, opening your eyes when you're ready. I recommend doing this exercise as many times as you need. You'll be naturally guided to your most optimal steps for attracting more money in your business and your life. Appreciate all the evidence that shows up, big or small. The more you notice money coming in and appreciating it, the more evidence and money you'll find. Now, I'd love to know any insights you got from this quick exercise in the comments below. If you didn't receive a clear answer, it's okay, just assume it's coming. And if you want a visual reminder to help you attract more money, go to maptoprofits.com and download my free visual map that comes with a powerful tutorial for getting really fast results. And cheers to flipping your money switch.